The Qur'an was revealed with specific Tajweed rules to be read differently than any other Arabic literature. The purpose of these Tajweed rules are so that the reader is always reading with the correct pronunciation so that they never misinterpret or pronounce a wrong word or ayah. Today we will be going over one of those mandatory Tajweed rules, which is Idgham. Idgham translated to English means merge. When you have a nun Saakin or a Tajweed followed by any of these letters, you need to merge it. For these letters, you must merge with Ghanna, and for these letters, you must merge without Ghanna. Now I'm going to go over some examples from Al-Kahf for each letter so that you can hear the proper pronunciation for each. First, we will start with letters Lam and Ra with no Ghanna. Mir Rahmatih, Min Ladunhu. Now we will do the 4 letters with Ghanna. May Yahdi, Fajwatim Min. Rahmatan wa hayyi' lana min nutfa. A common tip that I never see people use is that Idgham never looks like this. It always looks like this. But just because the Tanween looks like that does not automatically mean it's Idgham. It still has to be followed by the Yarmilun letters. There is also a specific ruling for Mim Sakin called Idgam Shafawi. Idgham Shafawi means merging with the lips. It occurs when a meme Sakin is followed by a meme with a shadda. Here is an example from Al-Kahf. Lakum min. Inshallah this lesson helped you understand Idgham. Salam alaikum.